Hey guys, welcome back to Delvestack, and today I'll be showing you how to set up unattended access TeamViewer. So guys, if you ever want to do this process, first things first is you can just simply go ahead and open up the TeamViewer into your computer. And as you can see, to do an unattended access, you have to set your password custom. So to do that process, first things first is select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And then after that, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for the settings. And now here on the settings tab, you can just simply go ahead and go to the left side over here. And you should be able to have an option over here, guys, advanced settings. Now, once you are here on the advanced settings, you can just simply go for open advanced settings. And here, guys, on the advanced settings, if we scroll down a little bit over here, we will have an option, personal password. So guys, if you set a personal password, anyone who knows it can access your device. So we have to have a strong password. And now from here, as you can see, for example, I'm gonna go for Delvestack 123. As you can see, it is still weak. So you have to combine an uppercase, lowercase, number, and a special character. And after that, guys, once you have done that, you will just simply select OK. During that connection, you still have your ID to connect, but to proceed, guys, you will no longer use the password that you have down below, but you have to use the password that is custom. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.